today we're gonna do an unboxing on this Maddox 7-piece body and fender set. I have a subscription to a magazine. It's a body shop magazine. They sell body shop supply, frame machines, everything that has to do with body shop. And they did have a 7-piece body and fender set. I believe there was like $45. With my membership, they were gonna give me a 15% discount, and it sounded great. The only thing is that it was made out of what was that, fiberglass handles, and these are steel. So I think that this was probably gonna be a better product. Probably less work because there's more weight, so I was gonna have to use less force. So let's see if we could figure out how to open this thing. I usually just rip stuff apart, but comes in a nice cool case. So this is what it comes with a low crown cross chisel hammer, a high crown pick hammer, shrinking hammer. Those are pretty cool. General purpose dolly, double end dolly, a wedge dolly, and a heel dolly. So and it also explains to you what each tool does, what each piece does. It's right on there, so I'll leave it on there for a few seconds. Alright, and that's what it looks like before unboxing. Well, the picture. Here's more of it. There's other stuff that's on the box. It's a nice box, man. Damn. I like the presentation on this box. Makes me feel like I bought, a decent product at least. All right, so let's get it open. Using the welding cart / table that I just built, and I built that with the titanium I believe it's a 140 flux core with what is it, DC technology, which is direct current. And I'm pretty surprised, man. I usually have to keep that thing pretty low because it just literally starts blowing holes in my steel, my tubing and all that. It's pretty powerful, so I should do a review on that. So right off the bat, they're heavy, man. Very nice presentation. The only thing that I can tell you immediately is the rubber handles. They're kind of big. I don't know. It's kind of like, oh no, they're perfect. Feels just right, man. So this is a hatched hammer. So bring it up close. I like this hammer. Feels right as soon as you pick it up. I don't know what this plastic little piece is in here for. It's like, I don't know, maybe it's for striking so you don't nick something that you're very close to. I don't know, for an edge or something, but it feels cheap having this. I don't like it. Same for this kind of plastic right here. Feels cheap, like super cheap Chinese. But the grip feels good actually. Let's see. It doesn't feel like it'll Doesn't feel like it'll pull off. And the etching there is pretty cool as well. Alright, so let's do the other hammers. We'll just dump that down there. I believe this is going to be the shrinking hammer. There is a little bit of pitting on that, and you could actually feel it. So I'm going to have to sand that down a little bit with some fine sandpaper. So already we're finding some defects. I'm not going to return this. I paid 40 bucks for this. Suck it up. But you can see the pitting right there. There's a little... you can actually feel that. I'm not sure if it's pitting. Some of it is pitting though. There is a little bit of pitting in there. But this piece right here, it looks like access for maybe the mold maybe. In that case, they should have ran polished, should have ran something over this real quick to smooth it out. So we just found the defect already. All right. Let's see. I saw something here. See? That scratching there. I'm not going to use that part, but I don't think that should be there. See that? So, alright. We found some imperfections. That right there, I don't know what that is. I'm afraid that's going to start like peeling or something like that and mess up my fin. I don't know. But yeah, they're not perfect. They all have that little bit of pitting. But overall, 40 bucks, you can't beat it. You know, I'm sure at some point you could put some wooden mallets on these when that glue gives out or whatever this is, epoxy or resin, I don't know what it is. All right. Not bad. Not perfect. Not perfect, but not bad either. They're actually pretty decent. It's got some thick, looks like powder coating maybe here. I like this Dolly. This is one of my favorite ones to use. Alright, not bad. We'll keep that in there. Let's put everything where it's supposed to go. This one was here, I believe. I believe this one was here, and this one was here. Alright. Not bad. I mean, hey man, 40 bucks. Some of these go for like 250, 300. I seen some sets of these go for like 600 bucks on that magazine I'm telling you about, that catalog. So, not gonna complain. So, this is another cool Dolly. And I was about to say, wait a minute, where's the flat one? And I see it right there. I haven't gotten to it. So, pretty cool. I like how it has these little flat edges here, because I could put this in my vise. See that right there? It's like a rail. Another one here. That'll help be held like that in my vise. Same thing. This one, not so much rails, but you can still hold on to it. I can maybe file this down nice and flat so I could put it in my vise. Alright. So we got a little bit of, I wish it was a little bigger, but there it is. All right. Pretty flat. And it's got this side too. So you hold that one up like that. I like how it has this little hole here so you could put your fingers in there. I have another set, the one I have in Dallas, which I actually lost half of them. I don't know how I could lose my stuff over there. It just, I don't know, it has feet, I guess, but they don't have these. So that's pretty cool. But I have this piece of iron here, and that's what I could use for flat. It's bigger, see? If I need some corners, I could use that. So I'm not tripping. I have my own big dolly here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It was $39.99 with tax. There wasn't a coupon for this. I snoozed. They actually gave me some coupons the past couple of weeks. I could have got this for like $30 maybe, probably cheaper, but I don't know. I lost track of time, but for $40, even if I get 1 year out of it, it's still paid itself. But I think it'll last longer than that. I'll give you an example. This gun right here, I don't know if whoever goes to Harbor Freight, but that's like one of the first ones they ever made. It's a central pneumatic earthquake, and if you could see by, I mean, I've had this thing probably 10 years, close to it, if not. I got a new, not new, but new to me compressor, and I put a new line on it, and I just decided to go with the automotive fittings. But it still works, man. I do all my wrenching on my own vehicles with this. Brakes, tires, anything that needs an impact, it works. So know how to use your equipment. First of all, if you know how to use your equipment, you'll be all right. You'll be in good shape. You don't have to have the most expensive tools. Just learn how to use them, all right, to your advantage. And before you know it, you'll be pretty good. So now when you grab good quality tools, I won't say you'll be a master tech, but you at least not embarrass yourself. All right? Take it easy, guys.